What's the meaning of bonhomie? Bonhomie. Bonhomie.
Bonhomie. Bonhomie. Bonhomie is a French term meaning a friendly and cheerful disposition, or an atmosphere of conviviality and good fellowship. It refers to a warm and sincere approach to social interactions, where people are open, accepting and easygoing. A person with bonhomie is typically affable, kind-hearted and easy to get along with, making others feel comfortable and welcome in their company. This type of positive social energy can help build strong relationships and foster a sense of community, which can lead to greater personal and professional success. Overall, bonhomie is a valuable trait in both personal and professional settings.